I'm Raven Carpio and I'm a STEM student from Alps Maris Institute Corporation, formerly Kalayaan College. This video is all about me telling you some information about the history of the Earth. Hope you like it. History of the Earth. History of the Earth concerns the development of planet Earth from its formation to the present day. Nearly all branches of natural science have contributed to understanding of the main events of Earth's past, characterized by constant geological change and biological evolution. The geological time scale, or GTS, as defined by international convention, depicts the large spans of time from the beginning of the Earth to the present, and its divisions chronicle some definitive events of Earth history. Earth formed around 4.54 billion years ago, approximately one-third the age of the universe, by accretion from the solar nebula. Volcanic outgassing probably created the primordial atmosphere and the ocean, but the early atmosphere contained almost no oxygen. Much of the Earth was molten because of frequent collisions with other bodies, which led to extreme volcanism. While Earth was in its earliest stage, a grand impact collision with a planet-sized body named Theia is thought to have formed the Moon. Over time, the Earth cooled, causing the formation of a solid crust and allowing liquid water on the surface. The Hadean Eon represents the time before a reliable record of life. It began with the formation of the planet and ended 4.0 billion years ago. The following Archean and Proterozoic eons produced the beginning of life on Earth and its earliest evolution. The succeeding eon is the Phanerozoic, divided into three eras: the Paleozoic, an era of arthropods, fishes, and the first life on land; the Mesozoic, which spanned the rise, reign, and climatic extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs; and the Cenozoic, which saw the rise of mammals. Recognizable humans emerged at most 2 million years ago, a vanishingly small period on the geological scale. The earliest undisputed evidence of life on Earth dates at least from 3.5 billion years ago, during the Eoarchean era, after geological crust started to solidify following the earlier molten Hadean Eon. There are microbial mat fossils such as stromatolites found in 3.48 billion years ago, sandstone discovered in Western Australia. Other early physical evidence of biogenic substance is graphite in 3.7 billion year old metasedimentary rocks discovered in southern western Greenland, as well as remains of biotic life found in 4.1 billion year old rocks in Western Australia. According to one of the researchers, if life arose relatively quickly on Earth, then it could be common in the universe. Photosynthetic organisms appeared between 3.2 and 2.4 billion years ago and began enriching the atmosphere with oxygen. Life remained mostly small and microscopic until about 580 million years ago, when complex multicellular life arose, developed over time, and culminated in the Cambrian explosion about 541 million years ago. The sudden diversification of life forms produced most of the major phyla known today, and divided the Proterozoic eon from the Cambrian period of the Paleozoic era. It is estimated that 99% of all species that ever lived on Earth, over 5 billion, have gone extinct. Estimates on the number of Earth's current species range from 10 million to 14 million, of which about 1.2 billion are documented but over 86% have not been described. However, it was recently claimed that 1 trillion species currently live on Earth, with only 1,000 of 1% described. That's all. Hope you like it. Bye-bye!